Hey guys, welcome to our Indigenous Roots culinary experience. My name is Anyani Mangwani. Today, we're going to show you how to prepare a naturally gluten-free sorghum salad. Yeah, sorghum salad in one phrase, that's right. What's great about sorghum is that it's packed with nutrition such as zinc, iron, magnesium, copper. So right now I have the distinct honor of introducing our culinary and pastry chef, Lebo Ramsy. Lebo, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So what is in the ingredients? What are we preparing?
So we are going to need the sorghum grains, as well as some olive oil, preferably cold pressed.
Extra virgin.
Tomatoes, a cucumber, onion, and lastly, some fresh lemons. And then we're going to need some seasoning, but in this case, we're just going to make use of salt.
Awesome. So this is basically what most households would have in their pantry. So shall we get right into it, slice and dice and make the magic happen?
Let's do it.
All right.
So we're going to start off by finely dicing our onion. So next, we're going to chop our cucumber, same size as the onions. So let us get straight into it.
So you'll notice she has something called precision cut. So I'm actually gonna hop in and help out with the tomatoes.
So once your chopping is done, you're obviously gonna mix all three ingredients in one big bowl. Add some salt.
How much are we looking at?
A pinch of salt. Just enough, depending on how much you've made. You mix them up and you are going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. And just to show you, this is what it looks like.
Awesome. Lebo, it looks like everything is just about ready.
Yes, sir, it is.
Is it time to put it all together now?
Oh, yes. All right, guys. So this is when you now bring back your mixture that you started off with. And then in here, you've got your sorghum that is ready and boiled.
It smells good, by the way, just so you know.
Thank you. So you're gonna mix these two together. So let's just do that.
It's amazing. This is just 1 cup of sorghum and you get so much out of it.
Make sure it's properly mixed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like supper is ready.
It should look something like this. So once this is done, you are going to finish off with the lemon and just, for more nutritional value and I think aesthetic, we're gonna add the avo. Yeah. So you need 2 whole lemons. You're just gonna cut both of them in half and squeeze the juice. Let's do it.
All right, let's do this. Okay, well.
Yeah, you can.
There you have it. Sprinkle a little bit onto it. You'll tell me how much.
All right, go for it. Alrighty. This is what it looks like. You're more than welcome to go in with some parsley if you'd like,
There it is. Lebo Ramsy dished us up with one hell of a dish. What I love about this is it's got your amino acids. We've added an avocado in there. What I love about it also is it's bad cholesterol free. Yeah. So shall we dig in?
Of course.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy. Cheers.